What to Do to Excel in Spanish. By Armerys Suárez. Copyrights 2022. The eternal question many parents ask is, what can I do for my child to excel in Spanish? The answer is actually very simple. Have your child follow the steps below. 1. Review every day what the teacher explained in class for at least 10 to 15 minutes, according to your own needs. This can include writing vocabulary words, focusing on fixing mistakes corrected in class, and even creating your own flashcards. Be creative, use Spanish words and pictures. If you come across words you do not understand, do not hesitate to use the dictionary. 2. Read aloud in Spanish every day for at least 5 minutes. You can also sing or combine both activities. Focus on your pronunciation. If you need to review or learn vocabulary, work with flashcards and read them aloud. 3. Watch videos, movies, or TV shows in Spanish every day for at least 5 minutes. If possible, use caption or subtitles and try and understand what they are saying and what they mean according to the context of the situations presented. Be consistent. Consistency and discipline are key. Practicing every day on a regular basis makes perfect. Be patient. You are not going to learn language in just 1 week, and do not get frustrated if you do not get things at once. Learning, and especially learning another language, is a lifelong experience that will require your best effort and hard work. It took several years for you to learn basic English. Now imagine starting over. Be perseverant. If you do not get high scores, do not give up. On the contrary, keep on studying. Do not ever think, I'm not good at Spanish or I am stupid. You simply need to be more exposed to the language. Be practical. Try and use your Spanish as much as you can, with as many people as you can. If you know Spanish speakers, native or not, talk to them in Spanish. Study and practice for life, not for a test or a score. Be reasonable. Do not wait until the last minute to study or do homework. Doing your homework early gives a chance to review and correct possible mistakes before turning it in. If you could not finish classwork in school, you need to finish it at home. This will allow you to store your knowledge in your long-term memory and you will avoid a homework avalanche. As a teacher, I am always there to help and orient my students, but remember, I can only do so much for them. Around 70% of students' achievement is directly connected to the effort they make to learn.